you ever wondered why some Instagram videos seem to grab your attention and you're just so locked in, while others are just scrolled past in a heartbeat? What if I told you that there's a science behind why your brain gets so locked in into the video? And you can actually use this science to make your videos more engaging, more addictive, and yes, even go viral on demand. And once you know how to make your videos more addictive than binge watching Netflix, you'll be constantly getting results like I do for myself and my clients. And not only will you be able to grow your Instagram following, but you'll also get consistent leads for your business that will make you 6 to 7 figures every month. And that's not even the best part, because once you know what I'm going to teach you today, you'll be able to consistently make your videos go viral and make a really strong personal brand. Plus, I'm going to show you proven strategies that will make your Instagram videos impossible to scroll past. So if you stick with me until the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to exploit dopamine receptors of your audience and the Instagram algorithm to get more views, more engagement, more followers, and more leads. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, so let's dive in. Now, before we talk about creating addictive Instagram videos, we need to understand the science behind addiction itself. And no, I'm not talking about anything illegal or addiction to bad habits. I am talking about the way that your brain gets hooked on things that will make you feel good, like scrolling through Instagram. You see, whenever we experience something rewarding, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine. It's the same chemical responsible for feelings of pleasure and motivation. Dopamine is what drives us to repeat certain behaviors, like checking our phones over and over again, or winning a certain level of a video game, or even making your first bit of money online. This happens because our brains associate the action with a reward. So every time you scroll through Instagram and see something interesting or entertaining, your brain rewards you with a little rush of dopamine. This creates a cycle where you want to keep scrolling and look for the next dopamine hit. This is why we can spend hours mindlessly scrolling, and our brains are literally wired to seek out the new concept. Studies show that the average person checks their phone over 50 times a day, and over 80% of people say that they use social media to relax. Why? Because social media is designed to give us the small, constant dopamine hits. It's like a game where we keep looking for the next interesting piece of content, and every time we find it, our brain rewards us with a little burst of pleasure. Now imagine if you can create Instagram videos that are specifically designed to trigger that dopamine rush in your viewers. That's how you make your content not only engaging, but addictive. And the best part, you can do this with proven strategies backed by science. Now let's talk about the Instagram algorithm. How does it decide what gets shown to people, and how does it favor some reels more than others? It's pretty obvious, but Instagram's algorithm only has one main goal: to keep users on the platform for as long as possible. And how does it do this? By serving the users the content that they're most likely going to engage with. And guess what? If your Instagram video resonates with the audience, it's much more likely to go viral and get pushed to a larger audience than a video that doesn't resonate. Here's why. Because for Instagram, that video that resonated with the audience made their viewers stay on the platform for longer, which means you helped Instagram make more money. The most important method on Instagram is watch time. The longer someone watches your video, the more the algorithm sees it as valuable content. This means your goal should be to hook your audience from the first second and keep them watching until the very end. Now, one way you could do this is by creating shorter videos, which naturally get more watch time, but it does not mean you can't make longer videos to go viral. Because you absolutely can, as long as your videos are actually valuable or entertaining. Now that you know how Instagram videos actually work, it's time to use this to your advantage. If you want to create addictive reels, you need to design them in a way that encourages people to keep watching from start to finish. This is where your hooks, pacing, and storytelling comes into play. Let's get into the strategies that you can use to make your Instagram videos absolutely addictive. These are the exact techniques that I use, and trust me, they work very good. Now, we all know that you need to grab the attention of the viewer in the first 3 to 5 seconds, because we humans have a worse attention span than a goldfish. I bet you heard all of this before. But nobody tells you how you can grab the attention, and it really comes down to something I call the pattern interrupt. Now, in our daily lives, we get stuck in patterns that we stick to for long times. For example, you probably wake up, make your bed, hopefully brush your teeth, please do, go to work, or do whatever you want to do. You start developing a pattern on how to do things in your brain. Once this pattern is made, you start doing all this stuff subconsciously. And once it's in your subconscious, you don't have to think about what you're doing. For example, I can bet that you could drive your car without thinking much about it, right? Now, the same goes for videos. At a certain point, your audience is in a pattern to keep scrolling through Instagram videos. They have probably seen so many generic videos by then that their subconscious completely ignores more generic videos. This means if your video is like everyone else's, it will feel the same and your viewer's subconscious would mark it as generic. So if you want your video to go viral, you need to disrupt this pattern, which is called pattern disrupt. What this does is that it breaks the flow that the viewer had, and it activates their consciousness, making them pay more attention to your video. Now for your videos, there are two ways you can make a pattern disrupt: auditory pattern disrupt and visual pattern disrupt. Auditory pattern disrupt. I can't say that term 3 times. But audio pattern disrupt basically means that you say something that grabs the people's attention. This is why your script has to be super important, especially in the beginning. It has to be worth listening to. For example, Andrew Tate is a master of doing really good pattern disrupts. So if your audience thinks that the earth is flat and you come and say, "You dumbass, the earth is round," that's definitely going to disrupt the usual pattern of the viewer's brain, raising more questions and making them pay more attention to you. Second, we have a visual pattern disrupt. A visual pattern disrupt is what's happening on the screen while you speak. This disrupt usually roots from the editing aspect of your video or your background setup. For example, in the beginning of the video, you can add a zoom in or zoom out, and it will serve as a pattern disrupt for the audience. Or additionally, you can make the background behind your videos unique and premium that will naturally grab more attention. For example, the background you see behind me, does it make me look good in your eyes? Is it visually appealing? I think it is, and I think I look sexy as hell in this video. Okay, not to toot my own horn, but you're still watching this video right now. But here's the thing, that was only for grabbing the attention, but how do you actually retain? Because if you can grab the attention for the first 3 seconds, but you can't make them watch for the other 30 seconds, there is no point of grabbing that attention. That's why retaining the attention is so important, and I would actually say it's more important than grabbing the attention. Now scientifically, humans are naturally attracted to high energy, fast-paced content. The brain craves novelty and stimulation, and your video should provide the perfect outlet for that. Now the key to holding attention is based off 2 aspects. First, your pacing. The pacing of the video is the way that you convey your point. Do you just want to tell everything up front then justify it later, making it boring? Or you can create immense curiosity and keep them hooked for what you're about to say next. The way that you set your pacing is not by giving them the value just like this, but instead, making every sentence of your video build up to that value. And make sure that each point is connected with the last. That's how a viral video is paced. Now the second aspect is fast cuts and transitions. Every time there's a new transition, quick cut, or dynamic edit, it's like giving your audience's brain a little nudge. You're essentially handing them a small dopamine hit with each visual change. And guess what? That's exactly what keeps them locked in. Their brain starts looking forward to the next surprise, the next transition, the next thing that will keep their attention moving. And if you now notice in any viral video, there is always something visually interesting that's coming on the screen. For example, my most viral video that got 12 million views. You can see that there's a key visual and transition that's happening. This keeps the attention of the viewer because they feel that dopamine hit whenever they see that transition, making them crave more. Now, of course, there's a boundary to this, and I personally made this mistake of having too much edits and things going on the screen at the same time. What that does to the viewer is that distracts them from your value, and your watch time decreases faster than your bank account's money. So please, make sure there isn't too much going on in your video like this. Instead, it should look more like this. It's about maintaining excitement and curiosity throughout the video. Keep that energy high from start to finish. You need to make your viewer feel like every second they spend watching is rewarding. Because when you combine engaging pacing with fast dynamic edits, you create a flow that feels seamless and addictive. So when you nail these 2 aspects, you craft an experience for your viewers that they don't want to stop. By now, you've learned how to grab attention of your viewers and how to retain it. But there's one more aspect to this that I didn't mention earlier. And this is by far the most important factor for you to actually make a viral video that feels addictive. And that is controlling the emotion. Emotion is a massive factor in creating addictive content. Studies have shown that emotionally charged content, whether it's humorous, inspiring, or deeply relatable, tends to perform significantly better on social media. Why? Because emotion drives action. It's what makes people stop scrolling, engage, and most importantly, share. So let's break it down. First, there's emotionally charged content. Whether it's making someone laugh, leaving them in awe, or inspiring them to take action, your video should aim to evoke a strong emotional response. Think about it. How many times have you shared a video because it made you laugh out loud or left you feeling inspired? Humor, surprise, motivation, or even relatability, all of these are powerful triggers that can make your content stick in someone's mind and compel them to pass it along others. Now you might be thinking, okay, emotion sounds great, but what if my content is inherently kind of boring? What if I'm just sharing valuable tips or educational content? How do I make something like that emotional? If you're thinking that, great question. The key is to find the story behind the value and package the information in a way that resonates emotionally with your audience. And here are 5 ways that you can do just that. 1. Make it personal. One of the easiest ways to inject emotion into a boring topic is by sharing a personal story or anecdote. People connect with people, not facts. For example, instead of saying, "Here are 5 tips to grow your Instagram," try starting with a personal struggle. When I first started out on Instagram, I had no idea what I was doing. My posts were getting 10 likes and my account felt invisible. But then I discovered these 5 strategies that completely changed the game for me. And here's how you could do the same. By sharing your journey, you're turning cold hard tips into relatable stories that can trigger empathy and curiosity. 2. Use analogies and visuals. If your content feels dry, spice it up with analogies, hyperboles, or vivid descriptions. Analogies help your audience see complex or technical ideas in a more relatable way. 3. Add humor or surprise. Humor can transform even the dullest topics into something enjoyable. You don't have to be a comedian to do this, or have to go out your way and become a try-hard comedian. Sometimes a self-depreciating joke or a playful comment can go a long way. Surprise works just as well. Share a surprising statistic or a fact that grabs attention. 4. Tap into universal emotions. Even if your topic feels niche, try connecting it to universal emotions like curiosity, pride, frustration, or aspiration. For example, curiosity. Most people don't know the simple trick to gain their first 10,000 followers on Instagram. Frustration. Are you tired of pouring hours into your content only to see it flop? I've been there too. Aspiration. Imagine waking up to thousands of new followers overnight because of the one video that you posted. These emotions speak directly to your audience's experiences and desires, making the content feel relevant and compelling. 5. Show, don't just tell. Whenever possible, show examples or case studies to bring your points to life. For instance, if you're explaining how fast transitions improve watch time, show a side-by-side comparison of a video with slow cuts versus one with dynamic edits. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also builds trust. Your audience isn't just taking your word for it, and their only source is "trust me, bro." Instead, they're seeing the result in action. Now that was just emotionally charged content. Another way you can make your content totally addicting is by making it relatable. Relatability is like a mirror for your audience. It makes them feel seen and understood. When your content reflects their own experiences, struggles, or dreams, it hits differently and it feels personal. And when something feels personal, they're not just watching, but they're connecting. They're nodding along thinking, "This is so me," or "This is exactly what I need to hear." Most self-help gurus are masters of relatability. That's why they get so many views and followers, because their content makes their audience think that they're directly talking to them. And here's the magic. When you combine both emotion and relatability together, it builds trust and loyalty. The more that your audience connects with your videos on an emotional level, the more they'll keep coming back for more. And they'll start to see your content as not just entertaining, but as something that adds value to their day. Whether it's a laugh, a moment of inspiration, or simply the feeling that someone out there gets it. So when you're crafting your videos, think about the story that you're telling. What's the emotion that you want to evoke? What part of your audience's life are you tapping into? Because when you master storytelling and emotional connection, you start creating a bond, and that's what keeps people hooked. But here's the thing. What's the point of your videos being addicting from the ways that I mentioned before when you don't even have more content for your audience to watch? That's like watching your first 2 episodes of your favorite Netflix show and then realizing that they haven't even released new ones yet. It's gonna make your audience feel frustrated and maybe even unfollow you. That's why it's so important to reinforce your addicting videos with consistent content. You see, we humans are creatures of habit. Your audience is no different. Consistency creates a rhythm that keeps them coming back for more. But beyond that, it's about trust. When you show up regularly, your audience know that they can rely on you on valuable, engaging content. And in a world where attention is currency, that trust is priceless. So if you want your audience to not only love your videos but stick around with you and grow with you, consistency is not negotiable. A study by Later found that accounts posting 4 to 7 times per week grow their audiences 3 times faster than those posting less frequently. Instagram's algorithm prioritizes accounts that post consistently. Why? Because regular content increases the chance of users engaging with your profile, which signals to Instagram that your account is valuable. So if you're not showing up regularly, you're not only losing the chance to grow, but you're actively losing followers who might think your account is inactive or unreliable. And here's the best part. The more you post, the more opportunities you create for a video to go viral. Because look, whatever gurus might say, there's always a luck factor involved in going viral. Sure, we can optimize our videos in a way where it's more likely to go viral, but at the end of the day, there's a little bit of luck to it. That's why posting consistently and creating high quality content is the key to going viral on social media. Now, I know posting can be a lot of work, especially if you're handling all the work yourself, plus managing your business in the meantime, and it can lead to a really bad burnout. Trust me, I've been there. And it really does suck when you're managing all these things at once, plus you're doing all the ideation, scripting, recording, and even editing yourself, or just have a cheap editor, every day, but still not seeing results. That's why I'd like to invite you to a crazy opportunity to work really closely with me. And you can let me and my team do everything I just taught you in this video, completely done for you, and get results like this. Our team will handle everything from picking the most viral ideas to scripting the videos to be so valuable for your target audience, using our strategy and a bunch of secret stuff, editing it in the best way possible so even a person with a 2-second attention span sticks to it, to even doing the SEO and captions and even posting it for you. It's a whole done for you service, A to Z. And guess what? Recording only takes you 1 hour in the month, and the rest will be handled by my team. And this whole system is what got Pete from 3,000 followers to over 110,000 followers in less than 6 months, and it made him the #1 within his state on social media. That system got Frank from 0 subscribers to over 900,000 subscribers, and it got him so many calls he couldn't keep up with it. And it's a system that got me from 0 followers to over 130,000 followers. And this done for you system is what got me all these results. So if you have a business that offers a service and you're looking to grow your social media following and get twice the amount of leads for your business, then me and my team would be the perfect fit for you. If you want to know everything in detail and if you're interested in learning more, then you could book a call with me using the link in the description. And we could talk about the specifics and how we could help you get more followers and leads through your content. I'll be looking forward to speaking with you.